Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you the Artemis launch on my iPad. Most people went to the NASA space station and saw it. But if you guys were sleeping, it was way late. So if you guys were sleeping and you guys did not go to the space station to see the Artemis launch, and you guys were still sleeping when it launched and you guys didn't see the video, this is the video of the Artemis launching. So I am going to show you. So give a big thumbs up if you like rocket launches and you like to go see them. If any of my viewers are in Florida and they get to see the SpaceX rocket launches, give a big thumbs up. But this one was not SpaceX. SpaceX was created by Elon Musk. But this is NASA. Sometimes we can still see rockets by NASA, but this one we could see. But like I said, most of you guys could not see it because you guys were sleeping. So I'm going to show you this video so you can see it. The Artemis launching. This is the actual video, so you guys get to see it.
Liftoff of Orion on its maiden voyage to the moon. Launch team can no longer cycle the count. Sound suppressor water now flowing under the ML. And here we go.
10.
Hydrogen burn-off igniters initiate. 7, 6, 5. 4-stage engine start. 3, 2, 1. Boosters in ignition. And liftoff of Artemis 1. We rise together back to the moon and beyond.
All 4 RS-25 engines on the core stage and 2 solid rocket boosters now propelling the vehicle at 128 miles per hour. Hearing good control on the roll from teams in Mission Control Houston. All good calls so far. Now 30 seconds into the flight of Artemis 1. First milestone will be for the vehicle to pass through max Q at about 1 minute and 9 seconds into launch. This is the greatest period of atmospheric force on the rocket. SLS now traveling 607 miles per hour.
Quick stop in the video. Guys, get your popcorn because this video is going to be loud and it's going to be exciting. So get your popcorn. Back to the video.
You're looking at 8.8 million pounds of maximum thrust. Quiet here in the loops in Mission Control. 4 core stage engines throttling down ahead of passing through max Q. Now 1 minute, 21 seconds into the flight, traveling at 1,420 miles per hour. The 4 core stage engines are back at maximum thrust. The next major milestone will be for the solid rocket boosters to cut off and jettison at about 2 minutes and 11 seconds into the flight, so about 30 seconds from now. Again, quiet here in Mission Control Houston as teams continue monitoring the flight of Artemis 1. We're now 16 miles downrange from the launch pad at Kennedy Space Center, traveling over 2,800 miles per hour. Standing by for solid rocket booster jettison and shortly thereafter.
Okay guys, so as you just saw where the rocket boosters came off, like they just came off. So yeah.
Information that the solid rocket boosters have separated these 177-foot boosters. Now the core stage continues to
Look at
power
them,
the
guys.
flight of Orion, all four RS-25 engines firing, traveling over 3,400 miles per hour, 46 miles downrange. 2 minutes and 36 seconds into the flight. Hearing nominal calls here in Mission Control Houston. We've still got 4 good engines on the core stage. Next up, we'll be looking for the service module fairing to separate. This is 3 15 by 15 foot fairing panels.
Okay, guys, do you want to watch this part or not?
About 3 minutes and 11
It literally
seconds
just
into
looks
flight,
like
and
a
very
dot.
shortly thereafter will be followed by the launch abort system separation. Just over 3 minutes into the flight of Artemis 1, now traveling over 4,060 miles per hour, 83 miles downrange.
Like if you want to watch
We
this
just
part.
had
Like.
confirmation that the service module fairing has separated. And that the launch abort system pyros have fired,
Okay, guys,
separating
so
those from Orion
This part
as
seems
well.
boring to me.
For future
But
crew members,
I don't know what that noise is. If it's really bothering you, I just turn the
we just
volume
heard the
down.
call for 3-engine press, meaning if SLS were to lose an engine at this point in the mission, we could still achieve a nominal mission. We would just have an extended main engine cutoff time. However, we still have 4
If we
good
don't
engines
see
all at
the
maximum
rocket
thrust right
anymore,
now,
I'll just stop the
first
video.
flight of Artemis at 5,200 miles per hour, 148 miles downrange.
Okay, guys, so you can just look at me. Because, like, when I see the rocket, I'll do it at you.
We're 4 minutes and 16 seconds into the flight of Artemis 1. So far, we've had a clean panels. But of course, later we'll see.
It was incredible.
Flying an experiment to study space biology.
Space biology is where we study the underlying changes that Earth-based
Perigee raise maneuver cut off. And commits the spacecraft to a lunar trajectory. So with successful completion of the Perigee raise maneuver, I'm going to toss it back to Megan at KSC.
No, keep it.
Use spacecraft and we'll travel to Lagrange. Again, this is about an 18-minute burn, so we have approximately 11 and a half minutes left.
Okay, guys, do you want to watch this part? Because it's not that interesting for me anymore.
Been 1 hour and 33 minutes since liftoff today from Kennedy Space Center. That was a 1:47 a.m. Eastern Time launch. A smooth ride up the uphill, as we heard
Guys,
from
this
Bruce Tiller and
doesn't seem
Johnny
interesting.
Heflin working with SL.
Guys, do you really want to see this? It's like,
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last.
4 a.m. Central Time, and you can watch live at nasa.gov/live. We'll also be back on the air later today for the first orbital trajectory correction burn at 9 a.m. Eastern Time.
okay, guys, so that was you guys watching the Artemis launch. Now, if you guys couldn't see the video and you guys couldn't go to the NASA space station and watch it that late, then you can just watch this video I made so that you can see it. So, bye, guys. See ya. So, if it was that late and you guys were still sleeping when it launched, you can watch my video So you can see the NASA rocket called Artemis launch. And if you couldn't go to the space station and you couldn't watch the video because you guys were still sleeping, watch my video. It shows the Artemis launching. So, bye guys. See ya.